Hi everyone, this is Megan Moran, canola and edible bean specialist with the Ontario Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs. It's just about time to set up our Western Bean Cutworm traps on corn and dry bean fields in Ontario, and I thought I'd make a little video describing how to upload your trap count data to our Great Lakes and Maritimes Pest Monitoring Network. So the first thing you need to do on your mobile device is download the app Survey 123. So just go to your app store, type in Survey 123, and here it is here. Download that app, which I've already done on this tablet. Now we can't open the app and right away get started uploading our information. We first need to essentially download the Western Bean Cutworm survey to the app. And so many of you are familiar with fieldcropnews.com. On this website, Tracy made a post, Tracy Bowdy, our entomologist, posted on April 15th a little bit of information about the Great Lakes and Maritimes Pest Monitoring Network and included a link to the dashboard for that network. So here it is in green, Great Lakes and Maritimes Pest Monitoring Network. Click that link and it'll take me to the site where all of the traps appear on the map. Now we don't have all our traps set up yet in Ontario, but those traps will appear as we do so. And so on this website, on the left-hand side is a link to the Trap and Weekly Count survey site, and that's what we need to click on to download the survey to our Survey 123 app. So I'll click that link, and it's asking if I want to open in a browser or in the app. In this case, I want to open in the app. Now, if you're using a smaller device like a phone and you're on this dashboard, it's not as obvious where that link is. So there's a little icon here in blue for more information. If we click that icon, it gives a little bit of information and that link that we're looking for at the bottom here. And so I would click the link there, and again it would take me to the app. I'll just continue on the iPad for now. So on dry bean fields, we want 2 traps on each field, and so we need to kind of name the traps appropriately. So probably we'll name it after the farm. I'll write home farm and trap 1. Enter your email address. You can contact me if you have any questions or need access to some of those links. megan.moran@ontario.ca. Which pest are you recording for? In this case, Western Bean Cutworm. Which crop? Dry beans. And the province is Ontario. And then we need to locate or place our traps on the map. And so you may, when you open it, have different base map, but you click this icon at the top. Select imagery, I think, is the easiest way to do it. And here I am at the Stratford office. I'll just zoom in and pretend that this is where I'm setting my trap. And when you're all set, click the check mark in the bottom right-hand corner. So then we would just enter the date and then the number of moths that we counted in that one trap this week. And I'll leave it at 0 for now, but in the bottom we'll hit this check mark and send the survey. Now, when we want to enter our traps the next week, we don't have to go through the process of downloading the survey or placing the traps on the map. We just need to open the survey, Great Lakes and Maritime Pest Monitoring Network, and at the bottom it says Sent. And so this is where I can access the traps I've already saved. So we click Sent, and you can see both my traps are there. I have home trap number 1 and home trap number 2. The other way you can view them is on the map. So if I click the map function, I can see both my traps there. Maybe you can't remember what you named them, or maybe you have multiple fields. But I'll stick with the list and select trap number 1. And then it's asking, we click on edit and resend the survey. And so as you can see, all the information is already saved. And I need to go to the bottom right-hand corner where there's this plus sign to add more data. So I'll hit the plus sign, and then it will allow me to change the date, so it's now a week later, and enter the moth counts for for the current date. And again, hit the check mark in the bottom right-hand corner. And we roll up all the data on Wednesdays each week. So ideally, we're entering our data on a Monday or a Tuesday, and we're going back to those traps on the same day every week. So every Monday, I'm going to check my traps and upload the data to this website. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch at megan.moran@ontario.ca or on Twitter at MEGNMORAN. Best of luck trapping. Have a great season.